Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to make a DIY non-toxic homemade weed killer using products you already have at home. It is super quick and easy to do and is truly an effective homemade weed killer. This DIY non-toxic homemade weed killer is really powerful and quickly kills weeds. It dries the weeds out. You need white vinegar, salt, dishwashing liquid, spray bottle. To make the mixture, pour in vinegar, salt, give it a good shake, dissolves. Pour dishwashing liquid. The ratio is half cup of salt, half a gallon of white vinegar, and a few tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Mix until salt dissolves. As you can see here, my front yard and driveway space has a lot of weeds. So let's go ahead and spray our DIY homemade weed killer onto all the unwanted weeds. Vinegar is a natural product for weed control and it doesn't harm your soil. Dishwashing liquid helps spread vinegar onto the weeds. However, using salt can make your soil infertile, so nothing grows. So use salt if you are treating your driveways, pathways, or areas where no plants or grass are intended to grow. As you can see here, there are weeds that need to be treated on my driveway and pathways. So spray onto your weed until it's soaked with your DIY weed killer liquid. Repeat applications is required to ensure that the weed is drenched. Now, since the areas I need to treat is large, I'm going to use this HDX pump sprayer to speed up the process. It is a no-spill, fill, and visible liquid pump sprayer. It is so good. It covers a wide area in one shot. However, do not use the pump sprayer if you have flowers right beside your weeds, as you can easily spray some weed killer onto your flower beds. In this section of my driveway, I do not want any flowers, so it's fine with me if weed killer is sprayed onto the flowers as well. After a few hours, you'll notice that your weeds will start drying out and will look something like this. You may leave them as is, dried out, or try to pull them out. This DIY non-toxic homemade weed killer dried out a lot of my weeds and a lot of them were pulled out. So you can see now how clean it looks. Do give it a try. You won't need to buy any weed killers from the supermarket anymore. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, kindly please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to watch my other DIY videos. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.